Hey Spices! With summer finally here, that means my cherries are ready. Earlier today I was out picking cherries for you guys, so in today's video we are going to be making some homemade cherry cake. So let's go spice things up.
Okay, so the first thing we are going to add is 1.5 cups of flour, a half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 stick of softened butter, or this is also a half a cup. Next, 3 eggs. And now you'll want to whisk all of your ingredients together. Next, you'll want to add about 1.5 cups of cherries. And these cherries I pitted already. Once your batter is all mixed, you'll want to get a cake pan or whatever pan you want. And then I just sprayed it with cooking spray and then put flour in the pan. It kind of helps get the cake out a little easier. And then you'll just want to put your batter right in the pan. And if you want, you can take some remaining cherries and just put them on the top, make it a little prettier. And now into the oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. And after about 40 minutes, your cake is done, but you'll want to take it out and just set it aside and let it cool down. Next, I usually add some powdered sugar to the cake, and then I add a little whipped cream on the top. Okay, maybe that's more than a little. And then dig right in. Now my husband usually has this with a side of coffee. He says it is perfect together. But it is so good and you guys will love it. I hope you go home and give it a try. And remember, if you'd like to see more videos, click this link or this link. And if you like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.